from here. Today let me show you a new shoes, SoleFly Jordan 3 Miami. Okay, here's overview of all the shoes. Yeah, I can see, yeah, you can see the shoe features Resell, green and orange color. Okay, let me see the upper here, the tape made of the green color, yeah, cow suede material. The back tab made of orange color, cow suede material as well with the SoleFly embossed logo. The other area of the up made of the first grey Resell color, first grey soft leather. Here's the back TPU piece, Resell color base with the green color neck logo. The inside view. Here's the tongue, the Resell tongue with the green color German logo, and body sitting on the tongue, and the shoes come with the Resell shoes lace, also come extra 2 shoes lace. Okay, orange color tongue lining with the sunshine stay logo on the tongue lining, like gray color collar lining, orange color inner sole with the SoleFly logo on the inner sole. The Resell and the green color pure midsole with the gray color see-through airbag inside, white, orange, and the green color rubber outsole. Okay, yeah, those shoes come with the dust bag. Okay, and orange color German logo, German shoes box. Yeah, and here's the box label. Yeah, you can see, yeah, the shoes looks really nice. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site flykicks.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.